probably collaboration was just harder before digital tools existed. You know, it almost necessarily had to happen in person. You could have conference calls and things, but working on something together, you know, maybe it just wasn't practical for a lot of teams working on projects like this. They would need to, if they're going to own a piece of the project for delivery, they probably felt that they needed to control as much of that as they could in their silo and ensure the quality of that before it gets handed over the fence to the next one. And I can see how this thing naturally develops without anybody really intending on creating silos. It just sort of happened.
Even within a group or a discipline, you will have differences. You'll have one guy that uses his own calculation sheet that he created that runs this wall thickness calculation.
Mm-hmm.
This other engineer does the same calculation, maybe uses something different, or the format is different.
Mm-hmm.
They're not the same. That's what he uses. That's what I use. And maybe they have one that the company that they recommend using. But a lot of times everybody has their own thing. They do their own calculation. You know, and it could be the same with how you produce. It's again, if the company does not have a mandate or a way of working, a set way of working and set formats, you will end up with people who have, this is my format, this is how I write my procedures, or this is my spreadsheet for calculation.